Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Abhay, joined by
Anindita.
So again we are back with Brahma Yugam final climax scene reaction.
Yeah, so this is the climax part, and I'm super excited
Yes.
because I just really want to know what will happen next
True.
and how the everything will be well put together because
Right.
climax में तो सब कुछ एकदम well put रहता है. So I
Yes.
really want to know कि उसके goblin के साथ क्या होगा because he is the main culprit and villain, right?
Right.
So let's get started. But उससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो guys please do subscribe and also please click on the notification bell.
Yes, and also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes. Okay.
That howling sound.
Bring.
ഈ ശക്തികൾ നിനക്ക് അവകാശമില്ല ഇത് നിനക്കൊരു ശാപമായി മാറും നിന്റെ തലയിൽ ഇടുത്തി വീഴും
Yes.
How is it looking? मतलब it's looking real.
Real.
Man, this is unbelievable. Finished.
Dead. अरे still alive.
Still it is breathing.
Hmm.
अच्छा उसका सिर्फ शरीर जला है ना, उसके अंदर तो वो है.
क्या?
My God.
What level of animation it is. अरे
This is the true face of the goblin.
ചെല്ലപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നു
It's still there. अरे
വാ പുറത്തേക്ക് വാ ഇനി ഞാനാ നിന്റെ തമ്പ്രാൻ
वो
इस चना को
कई
प्रॉब्लम
बड़ा।
क्या है?
അരുത് ആ മോതിരിടരുത് അധികാരം ആരുടെ കയ്യിലിരുന്നാലും അത് ദുഷിക്കും നിന്റെ കയ്യിലാണെങ്കിലും എന്നെപ്പോലത്തെ സാധാരണക്കാർ അതിൻ്റെ ഇരകളാകേണ്ടി വരും ഇതെനിക്ക് അവകാശപ്പെട്ടതാ അതിന് തടസ്സം നിന്നാ നിന്നെ എനിക്ക് കൊല്ലേണ്ടി വരും
Wait. Man, you leave, man. You got saved somehow. So
No, he is thinking that if he will be the master, maybe his mind will get diverted and he will never be free. He's thinking this way or what? I think this way. Oh!
Suffer due to this, maybe
That Anguti is. Oh gosh, yeah, it was. Oh! Repeatedly getting stabbed. उसका चला हुआ बॉडी पड़ा हुआ है.
Oh man, both of them died. They are fighting. They are enjoying.
Yeah, it is like.
Aside.
So real fighting it.
Stab them on. I don't know. Okay. He will be here or what?
I don't know. What is he thinking?
क्या हुआ? What is that goblin?
He's coming out.
What's
Oh,
it?
finally he's coming out now.
It's free now.
Seriously.
Till today it was raining, na?
But what happened to that goblin and to that other
They
person?
died maybe.
Okay, finally he's like seeing that
Sun.
sunlight at least. He has gone through a lot. Oh!
Oh, wait. He was.
He's still alive.
Wait.
What is it?
നിന്റെ കടുക്കൻ അത് ഇടത് കാതല്ലായിരുന്നല്ലേ?
अरे ये गोबलिन है क्या?
Yeah.
अरे man, it died there itself, and he's googling.
He did not get freed. His life, he did not get that.
He will be able to run away.
No, now he will
Really?
be the servant again. He
Hmm.
was the servant, now also again.
Servant, or he will die.
He will die maybe. Something will happen now.
Ah,
Something will happen now.
okay.
That was the goblin. Okay, again got a new sharir.
And maybe it is the beginning of new part.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. Is there? Alright, got bullet shot.
Oh. जानबूझ के ऐसा वो किया.
अरे somebody else, man.
मतलब वो जो है ना वो अंग्रेज, right?
Okay,
Aqui,
Portuguese.
como louco.
okay. They are Portuguese.
Vai pra frente. Vai pra frente!
Okay. This is the beginning of next part. Why? What I can think,
Yeah.
right?
I think he does that. He did that intentionally
Maybe.
because he want to die. Because he knew, right? After that, again he will be acting as a this kind of servant. Wow. Execution. Wow.
He died or
He died.
come back.
Maybe in the next part.
Maybe
never know.
Can we say?
Wow.
Wow. He will be
He will
trying
be
to
moving
cross,
over now.
across the river, and he will go to his home only.
Some other. Because that home is burnt.
No, that home no. Yeah, this guy is
Oh.
who was the original guy. His home somewhere.
That is a.
Okay, he's keeping this ring.
They will wear this.
Oh.
His expression.
That's why this movie was a hit, right? Hmm.
Never get freed.
Hmm. Okay.
Oof.
What a look, man! Finally. Seriously, that's
I am
that was
so
brilliant.
happy.
That was brilliant movie, man.
It was a brilliant
See,
movie.
this movie they have made in black and white, right? But it's still people loved it. love it because the way it,
Actually,
the
keeping this in
storyline.
black and white, no, it is very meaningful because that time बहुत
Old time.
17th century का movie दिखा रहा है ना, so that time to keep that in
Right.
mind and
Okay.
also like it would be very meaningful that 17th के time में तो ना कोई ये था कलर था ना कुछ ये था,
Right.
तो on
And
that
also,
basis
and
it is
also
a
I
black
guess
and
I
white.
think it will be easy to hide the I mean some of the
Flaws.
details flaws like people will tell no this can't be there in the old
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
So
old times,
that,
yes,
if you put
that
in
is
the
also
black
a
and
very
white, a
good
lot of
thing.
the things will go away.
And I just want to say one thing, only 5 actors, right? Only 5 actors and this kind of movie.
Right.
You don't need
And out of that,
you
3
don't
are
need
made.
you don't need big cameras, you don't need big lights, big foreign
Movies are,
location. You don't
it's
need
brilliant
6 packs,
actor.
you don't need anything like that. You need only talent.
And
that
talent
is there
and the
in this
storyline.
movie. And the storyline.
If the
What a
storyline
movie.
is good and you have the talent to pick this thing, you
Yeah.
can do marvelous in any movie.
Any movie, this expression, like this guy, especially this
This
person,
guy was
this
also-
guy, I unfortunately I don't know the name of this person, but I will definitely search now what is the name of this person. I think he's a famous actor in Malayalam movie industry. Apart from Mammootty's acting, I just want to showcase this thing that his expression from the beginning till the end, it's like phenomenal. I think he should be awarded. He should be
Yes.
awarded
This
because
is-
the
this
last
whole-
of
this
Dekho
whole movie is a award
is award winning movie actually.
Damn sure.
एंड उनका जो लास्ट में था गॉबलिन का जो पावर था, गॉबलिन का जो मतलब एक्सप्रेशन होना चाहिए, ही इज नॉट हैविंग दैट मच एक्सप्रेशन, दैट काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन बिकॉज ही इज लुकिंग, हिज लुक वाज वेरी डल, राइट? ही इज नॉट लाइकिंग दिस पोजीशन बट he got that eventually. He got he did not get freed. This is the thing actually. He was searching for that. He was thinking about his mother, his house, his land, his everything, but क्या fate है, right?
Right.
So wow, what a storyline. I love this movie. It's a 10 on 10 from our side.
Of course, no doubt, it was a
Undoubted.
brilliant story, brilliant execution, and the
Everything is
actors were brilliant.
Brilliant.
Yes.
So yeah, that is it for today's video. अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे नए हैं तो guys please do subscribe and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you on our next video. Till then,
Bye.
bye.